everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this sunrise and tree painting. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So now I'm starting with my sunrise painting, just with blue at the top, and then I'm going to go on to purple. So the top I have kind of a light blue, and then I have a darker purple near the middle and a lighter purple near the bottom. And then I'll be letting it dry and doing the clouds over top. So now I'm going to try and do a little bit of sunrise clouds. See how that goes. A lot of bright color, like the sun is coming up kind of thing. At least I hope that's what it looks like. To me it looks like that. Pretty. Okay, so as you can see, I have done the sunrise clouds, and now I'm going to try to do a tree without leaves in the front area here. I'm doing this painting for someone else, so I want it to look kind of nice. We actually saw a sunrise the other morning. I looked out and saw a sunrise, and a friend of mine saw the same colors in the sky, and we both sent a picture of the sunrise to my son at the same time, at exactly the same time, which was kind of neat. And so I said I would do a painting for him. If you want to try painting, then you give it a try, because it's actually really fun. Okay, well, I think I'm just about finished. I love it so far. Hopefully the person that I'm painting it for will love it. But we'll see. Okay. So this is it. It's my tree in the sunrise. Thanks for watching.